To make this spinach, courgette and ricotta tart, we need 200 grams of spinach, 2 courgettes sliced, 3 eggs, ricotta cheese 150 grams, 1 teaspoon of mustard and 3 garlics crushed, 160 ml of almond milk and 350 grams of shortcut pastry. Okay, so I have already rolled out some shortcut pastry and I want it big enough so that it covers my base of this cake tin, and I want some extra flour so that it actually goes around the cake tin. I'm using a 6 centimeter cake tin. Okay, so we sit it nicely. I had already buttered it before and I've already also buttered this one here. As you can see, it's got nice butter so it doesn't get stuck to the sides. Okay, all right, so here comes the tricky bit with this. We're going to get our base. Nice. We have put the pastry into our tin and now we want to prick it with the fork. Make some small holes so that it breathes. I like to do the sides as well. Okay. Cover it with parchment paper and we're going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. We add some oil. We're going to start cooking the courgettes and the spinach. So 5 minutes until you see that it's all cooked. I took away the parchment paper just for 5 minutes so that it can get crispy. I have added all the ingredients here except the ricotta cheese. So the garlic, the mustard, the eggs and the milk. We're going to pour it in. Okay. And then we're going to top with the courgettes. Random, I mean, there's no order to this. We're going to season with salt. Maybe 2 teaspoons of it, and some herbs. I use mixed herbs here. And to finish, we're going to use the ricotta cheese with a spoon, which I've lost. There we go. And we're just going to throw it in again all over. We're going to cover with the parchment paper loosely and put it in the oven for 20 minutes.